Adding a custom bowl accessory to your KitchenAid stand mixer is a great way to elevate your kitchen style while taking your culinary creativity to new heights. Stand mixer bowl accessories come in 3 types: glass, ceramic, and stainless steel. The glass bowl accessory is made of clear, durable, sturdy glass with easy-to-read measurement markings along the side. This 5-quart tilt-head glass bowl accessory fits all classic and Artisan series tilt-head stand mixers. And each glass bowl accessory comes with its own silicone lid, making storage a snap. With so many classic solids and eye-catching patterns, custom ceramic bowls can match well or contrast nicely with your KitchenAid stand mixer. Whether you're looking for bright pops of color or classic hues, there's a ceramic bowl to suit your taste. Ceramic bowls are microwave, oven, freezer, and dishwasher safe. Our ceramic resists chipping, cracking, crazing, and staining, and is backed by a 5-year no-chip limited warranty. Stainless steel bowls come in 4 main styles: polished, textured, painted, and metallic. Polished stainless steel bowls fit all 4.5 and 5-quart tilt-head stand mixers, and also come in 3.5-quart sizes to fit the Artisan mini stand mixer, as well as larger 6 and 7-quart options for use with bowl lift stand mixer models. A custom stainless steel bowl in metallic or painted finish gives you an impressive upgrade in style with the same amazing 5-quart capacity. This hammered stainless steel bowl is also 5 quarts and is hand-finished and polished for an authentic yet modern look. And like all stainless steel stand mixer bowls, it's dishwasher safe. No matter the style you choose, mixing and matching colors can breathe new life into your favorite stand mixer, or add that perfect touch of personalization to a new mixer purchase. Explore these options and so much more at KitchenAid.com.